Pulmonary circulation is a crucial component of the circulatory system responsible for transporting deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs for oxygenation and then returning oxygen-rich blood back to the heart. This process ensures that the body receives an adequate supply of oxygen while simultaneously removing carbon dioxide, a waste product of cellular metabolism. Here's a detailed explanation of pulmonary circulation. Deoxygenated blood enters the right atrium. Deoxygenated blood from the body returns to the heart via the superior and inferior vena cavae and enters the right atrium of the heart. From there, it flows through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. Right ventricle pumps blood to the lungs. The right ventricle contracts, pumping deoxygenated blood through the pulmonary valve and into the pulmonary artery. Unlike other arteries in the body, the pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood. It branches into the left and right pulmonary arteries, which then carry blood to the left and right lungs, respectively. Blood oxygenation in the lungs. In the lungs, the pulmonary arteries further branch into smaller vessels called arterioles and capillaries, which surround the alveoli, air sacs, where gas exchange occurs. Deoxygenated blood releases carbon dioxide and picks up oxygen from the air in the alveoli through diffusion across the thin capillary walls. Oxygen-rich blood returns to the heart. Oxygenated blood from the lungs travels through pulmonary venules and veins, eventually merging into the pulmonary veins. There are 4 pulmonary veins, 2 from each lung. These veins carry oxygen-rich blood back to the left atrium of the heart, left atrium to left ventricle. Oxygenated blood fills the left atrium and then flows through the mitral or bicuspid valve into the left ventricle. Systemic circulation. The left ventricle contracts, pumping oxygenated blood out through the aortic valve into the aorta, the body's largest artery. From the aorta, oxygen-rich blood is distributed throughout the body to deliver oxygen and nutrients to cells and tissues and to remove metabolic waste products like carbon dioxide. Return to the heart. Deoxygenated blood from the body returns to the heart via the vena cava, restarting the cycle of circulation. Key components of pulmonary circulation include the pulmonary arteries, carrying deoxygenated blood to the lungs, the pulmonary capillaries, where gas exchange occurs, and the pulmonary veins carrying oxygenated blood back to the heart. This process ensures efficient oxygenation of blood, essential for sustaining life and supporting cellular functions throughout the body.